Okay. Hello, boys and girls. It's your boy, Recho. Sorry, Zorro couldn't be here. He recently passed away due to
a Tide Pod.
Obviously not behind the camera. Okay, today we're going to be doing What's Inside. Now, we have this broken-ass toy pig for dogs, and today we're going to be seeing what's inside. So, as always, we start from the asshole down. So
Obviously.
Oh, well. Like the mighty pits of fucking Asgore.
You're gonna fucking hurt yourself.
No. Always cut towards yourself, children.
Obviously.
So we'll cut the stomach.
Fuck. This is so fucking dumb.
This is fucked. Need a sharp knife.
I'll get the toilet paper ready just in case it starts spewing blood.
Or if I start spewing blood.
Fuck.
Yeah, we'll cut.
You're gonna fucking kill yourself.
We'll cut off a toe.
Close enough.
That did like barely anything. We'll just
Impale it.
Yes, reverse impale it. Okay, I'm gonna.
Fuck, you're gonna kill yourself, dude. I'm just gonna back up and zoom in.
I think we got some scissors.
Yo, yeah.
Well, like magic, we got a pair of scissors. Freshly squeezed out of my ass cheeks. Okay. Let's try to get into this little bad boy.
Get the fucking tail off first, of course.
You detail him.
The first opening for us.
This is
some crazy shit, dude.
I wish I could die. Oh shit.
Fuck.
I think I snipped its asshole, but I'm not sure.
Yo.
Let's see if I can just strong.
Oh, did you get through?
Barely.
Let's just ignore the knife because the knife is what's gonna fucking kill you.
Honestly. Let's see if we can't shove this inside the pig. Alright, yeah, maybe not, so we gotta cut it up some more.
Fuck.
Come on, piggy, piggy.
Piggy, piggy.
This episode is brought to you by
What?
Cuisine Art.
By China. By
Yes.
China.
Yeah, dude, China. I'm getting awful flashbacks of our older videos that I
Fuck.
made when I was a fetus.
We were both fetuses, dude. Don't even start. Unless I was too large for a fetus.
You were a fucking elephant fetus, cunt.
Fuck, with a fucking pig.
I never realized its asshole was so resistant to any sharp object.
It's a dog toy for a reason, but this is a ridiculous fucking dog toy.
Yeah, honestly, you might need to cut to commercial. Sick.
Hey, at least you got a blade inside of its fucking foot.
Oh, there we go, boys.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh.
We got through.
What's inside?
Fuck.
What's inside, Rushing? What's inside, Mr. Toasty Yoshi? Huh?
It's Recho. My bad. Well, we got a few blonde pubic hairs and a tube.
Oh, fuck. Yo, can I get it? Oh, fuck. Yo.
Mr. Piggy.
I'll take that.
Mr. Piggy's pubic hairs are leaking all over the place. Oh my gosh.
Fuck, dude.
I need, like, some nurses, because this is like a...
I'll tell you what, we don't got those cast scissors anymore, so good luck. Fuck, don't kill yourself.
I survived. Good.
I'm just take this away.
Your boy, Recho, aka Toasty Yoshi, can keep making videos.
AKA Grenade Turtle 2.
And Thunder.
Light 22.
Oh, fuck yeah, dude. We're getting through. Fuck.
Dude,
That's more pubes.
Hell yeah, dude. Fuck.
That's a bundle.
Jesus.
Let's see if we can't just pull out the whole button.
Whoa, fuck.
Holy shit, this is fucked.
I don't have enough space.
This is fucked.
You-
He's dead. We have killed this poor pig.
Sitting in my bathtub, killing a fucking dog toy. Where would we store the evidence?
Flush it.
We're gonna get some very odd questions from my mother tomorrow.
There's stuffing in the trash can.
Why is there 2 halves of a pig and some stuffing in there? Yeah, I stomped this fucking thing and knocked on the air.
Fucking broken. Yeah, that's the problem.
I need to make sure I don't stand on the fucking knife that's
Let's
on
turn
the
'em.
floor.
Let's turn them inside out. How many? If you saw this in your backyard,
I'd run, dude. I mean, if it's just a blue pig, I'd kind of be okay with it.
blue pig with his fucking spine being ripped out.
Fuck.
Ugh. Our task is to make them inside out.
Well, no, the task is to see what's inside.
Well, we've seen what's inside of it.
Yo, let me give you a hand there, buddy.
This feels like a TF2 weapon from Sniper.
Fuck. Let me give you a little bit of a hand there, buddy. Oh shit. It looks more like a toy now.
The fucking dildo mount.
Fuck.
It's like a bobblehead for your car.
I believe that's what's inside.
Yeah, we've definitely figured out what's inside this poor fucker's stomach.
Hell yeah, dude.